So this is our last day in Malaysia. We're both pretty sad, so we thought we'd go out and have some breakfast and check out some street food. So morning breakfast, we're having a tea tarik and just a tea. And we've ordered a young chow fried rice, Malaysian style. Alright, so this is a young chow fried rice, gets a big prawn on top. It's a Chinese style rice, and you also get a little thing of chili. Is that chili with all them little green things in it?
Yeah.
It is? Or bean?
No, bean.
Alright. So I'll just throw all that chili on, stir it up. Look at the size of them prawns, big prawns. Come on, Dutch, I've got udang here, so. Alright, so I'm going to steal Yuli's prawns. She doesn't like prawns. I'll try this out. Not bad. It's a bit spicy when you hit one of those chilies, but it's still not that spicy. What do you think, Mummy? Tastes good?
Yeah, need more salt for me.
Need more chili, I think.
Yellow pepper.
So Yuli doesn't like prawns that much, so I'm going to steal her prawns. Good sized little prawns. Very good. Young chow fried rice. So the 2 rices and 2 teas is about 20 ringgit. It's about $6. It's pretty good, $3 with a tea each. Good stuff. This whole street is just full of little restaurants cooking. The whole street. It's probably nasi lemak. Nasi lemak bungkus. There are so many different types of street food along here. Chennai. The Chennai master.
Roti Chennai. Yeah.
Mau coba Chennai? What? Oh, I thought near there'd be a school or something. So we're just walking around shopping for breakfast, checking out all the different street foods. So much food all the time. That's why I love Asia so much. Everywhere you go, there's not the restrictions like in the Western world where you can't have food on the footpaths and stuff like that. It's just if you want to cook something and sell it, you just go somewhere on the street and sell it. It should be like that in the Western world. So this is buah, watermelon, rock melon, just fruit. So you just grab your own piece that you want. Neely's getting a big slice of watermelon. So Yellow's getting some jackfruit and some watermelon. What's it, Emma?
I see.
So it's 4 ringgit. It's about $1.50. Okay. chicken. Shark, I love it. Just cutting up the fish. Oh, look out, we found the little pasties. It's curry puffs. It's good, doesn't it? It's all the sweet breads, like pastry, sweet pastry, curry puffs, milk pies.
Dua sengat.
Siapa satu? Dua.
RM2, Pak.
Right, we're going to buy 2 milk pies, which is just like condensed milk in a little pastry cup. They're really good. Bit sweet, but they're good. How much are that?
$2.50.
It's about $1.50 for 2 curry puffs. So this is like a food court. Overnight they've got karaoke here on the stage. And there's a white curry laksa. Laksa. No. Nanti makan. Porridge, so it's like a rice porridge, more noodles. Hello, how are you? Yeah. Curry noodles. It's looking. This is wonton and dumplings, nasi lemak. Nasi lemak bungkus, takeaway. Ayam penyet, ayam geprek. Ayam geprek. So there's about 20 little different food stalls here you can eat from. Western food. Doesn't look like Western food, looks like Asian food. It's got chips with it instead of noodles. Fried chicken. Chicken looks good, look. Huh? So these little food courts are just everywhere. So there's about 20 different little varieties and different shops in there that you can buy your food at. Really nice. So that concludes our trip to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We were there for 4 nights, 5 days, and we had a ball. We were very, very busy walking around trying all the different street foods. And Malaysia, we love you, and we will be back soon. Anyway, off to Bali we go.